is AIG, which I may actually have a position in depending on where it is right now. Let's take a look. And in fact, I do have a position. I actually tweeted this right before the show began. AIG, to me, is a stock that's just really being pushed around a lot by some of these momentum funds that understand that it's heavily shorted. The people who are shorting it basically think it's probably worth close to $0, since it's going to take probably $100 billion just for the U.S. government to get paid back on the money they've injected. So people really don't view, or a lot of these people shorting it don't view the core business as being worth more than the amount of money that AIG is going to have to pay back to the government. The problem is similar to in the late 90s when stocks, and a lot of these internet stocks had very poor fundamentals, they had very low floats, they got heavily shorted, and those structural things kind of took over, and that drives the price of AIG. And I was actually long it. If we go to just the chart now, you can see this morning drove up very powerfully, supported here in this 39.90 area. I was long it on this drive about 40.40, but it failed. Eventually got flat at below 39.80. And now that it's holding above 40 again, I'm actually long. I bought in this little drop here to 90 cents. I actually got hit for some at 91 cents, and then before the show I sold some in the 30s. I think if it gets above this 40.80 in the next few minutes and holds above there, you could see a pretty nice squeeze. Not particularly great volume. You probably want to see these volume on the 1 minute. If you can get a bar up in the 500,000 share area, that might be enough to really get it to go. So just looking at the longer term, you can see there was key resistance at 40, and then at $42 a share.